In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in Systeme.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, effective pop-up on any funnel page, customize it to match your message, and decide when it shows to visitors. Start by logging in to your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, head over to Funnels, then open the specific page where you want the pop-up to appear. This could be a landing page, a sales page, or even a thank you page, depending on your goal. Click Edit Page to open the visual editor. You'll be working inside this editor for everything that follows. Inside the editor, look for the Popups option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either in the page settings or in the elements panel. If you're not sure where it lives in your current template, scan the left side controls. Systeme.io keeps these options neatly grouped so they're easy to spot. Click Create Pop-up and choose a template that fits your objective. If you're collecting emails, pick something simple and focused. If you're promoting a limited time offer, a slightly more visual template might work better. Think about legibility and mobile friendliness here. Clean designs with clear hierarchy get better results. Now customize the content, update the headline to clearly explain the value, keep the body text concise and benefit driven, and adjust the form fields to the minimum you truly need. Fewer fields usually increase conversions. For the button, use action language like get the guide or claim discount, and make sure the color stands out against the pop-up background. You can tweak fonts, spacing, and images to align with your brand, and it's a good idea to include a small note that reassures visitors about what they'll receive. Next, set the trigger for your pop-up. You have 3 common options. On click means the pop-up appears when someone clicks a specific button or link on your page, great for offering lead magnets without distracting casual readers. Exit intent shows the pop-up when a visitor moves to leave the page, which is especially effective for desktop users and can help recover abandoning traffic. Delay triggers the pop-up after a specific number of seconds, giving visitors a moment to engage with your content before you make your offer. Choose the one that matches your goal and audience behavior. That's it. You've added a pop-up, tailored its content, and defined exactly when it appears, all within Systeme.io. Keep it helpful, on-brand, and respectful of your visitors' time, and you'll see stronger engagement without overwhelming your audience.